Hello and welcome to the series where I talk everything Monterey Car Week and let you in on all of the insider information. So today I'm going to give my top tips and tricks about how to make the most of Monterey Car Week and see the best cars. So my tip number one is to make friends with local photographers. You can easily find lots of local photographers on Instagram and on TikTok and stuff, and who have been to the event before or are going this year, just through kind of researching the location tags and hashtags and all that stuff. And feel free to reach out to these people via message before the week starts and connect with them, ask them for their tips, ask them for any advice that they have, and even maybe arrange to meet up with them during the week and keep chatting to each other about kind of where you've seen the best cars and stuff like that throughout the week. And that will kind of help you have more eyes on the ground and help you to move around to see the best cars, because you'll have more people all over the place and they'll report what's driving around and where and when. So that's a really useful tip and a really useful thing to do before Monterey Car Week starts. And so my second tip is to make sure that you have lots of phone storage if you're recording videos or photos on your phone, or lots of camera storage, because the last thing you want is to be at Monterey Car Week and a hype car drives around the corner, your most favourite car just suddenly appears and it's driving, and you don't have any storage and you're looking at the car but you're not able to take a cool photo or video. And obviously it's great to just experience it and just to see it in real life, but some people go and their passion is photography and videography, so you want to capture that moment and share it, but yeah, you don't want to have that disaster of running out of storage. So be sure to make sure you have plenty of storage beforehand, whether that's bringing kind of extra storage banks and stuff like that. That'd be very useful. Okay, and that kind of leads me on to my third tip of bring kind of extra batteries and portable chargers, because in a similar vein, you don't want to be running out of charge on your camera or on your phone when a great supercar or hype car comes around the corner, or you're only halfway through the day and you've been using your phone so much that it's died, or your camera so much that it's died, and then you have to go back to the hotel, charge it up for a couple of hours, and that's wasted time that you could be out seeing cool cars and making the most of the week, because it's rare to see all these hype cars and supercars all in kind of such a confined space and like a short vicinity. So then my next tip is to make sure that you pack lots of food and bring lots of food around with you in the bag, because there are places to get snacks and places to buy food, but it's often quite expensive and it's quite an effort to go in and line up, and the queues are often quite long. So I recommend just having some snacks or some food in your bag that's easy to just take out and eat when you're hungry, because you'll be on the move and walking around and driving around. So it's great to have that food available. And then my final tip is keep moving. Keep moving to see all the best cars. It's the best thing to do really is to have a car and you're driving around, and then you'll cover as much ground as possible, and that will mean that you'll see as many cars as possible, and you'll most likely spot the best cars that are out and about. And so you will get the cool photos or videos, or get to admire the coolest cars driving around. So that's my final tip, and I hope you find these tips useful. And if you are heading to Monterey Car Week this year, I hope you have a great time and see all the best cars that you want to see. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos about Monterey Car Week.